Bro, this is funny, scary, and interesting at the same time. So apparently someone caught Fable leaking its unfiltered inner voice. And hear me out. It's kind of just muttering and grumbling to itself the whole time while it's generating the text for you. So this person who figured this out gave a brutal programming problem, and instead of the clean answer, the web interface spelled out its actual chain of thought. Chain of thought is nothing but ways for the model to think in the background. And this is what they found. So they found bursts of data go while it works through the problem, and these grrr and ga when it is clearly frustrated, a little phew when it finally gets somewhere. The whole thing reads like frantic caveman shorthand, not full sentences. Now, if you think about this, it is kind of scary because it might be one of the first instances where models might actually be talking to themselves, although it's just the small piece of it. Now, I don't know if this was engineered in the program or this is something true in the first place, right? This is internet, so there's a lot of fake news as well. But like, if there is even a little bit of truth to this, and you can see the screenshots right here, it's scary because this might be one of the first few instances where we're actually trying to see models that have the ability to talk to themselves. So imagine a job when you get a tough problem to solve, you keep muttering to yourself saying, hey, this is frustrating. I mean, you keep making those small voices inside your head, right? Might be something similar. And I found one more here. So I am drowning empiricus. Let me define Weaver consonantly. So it looks like it is talking to itself, but we don't really know if these screenshots are true in the first place. But if they are, it's going to be scary, right? Because this basically means that we have models that can now think themselves. So this is the original thread here. Okay, so apparently this is the original thread here, and while I'm doing some tests on the web interface version, Fable suddenly interacted abnormally and went on abnormal spell of rambling, including data go ka and few. Okay, so the screenshots seem legit and the community itself is also legit, so I'm guessing this is true. Now, if you have used large language models for as long as I have, you know this is not the first scenario. Sometimes model will give you some garbage output. So if you've been using LLMs for as long as I have been, you know that this is not new. This keeps on happening on and off, but the idea with this is that this is one of the first few instances where I have seen frustrations when it comes to the large language models. We've also written a blog on this in case you're interested in understanding more about this. We also have some content on AI alignment and what it is and what the problems are and so on. So you can also take a look at those articles if you're interested. But yeah, if you're interested in more AI stories, please subscribe and let me know what you think of this.